Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zapier for automated lead capture from Typeform, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have both a Typeform account and a Zapier account. Log into your Typeform account and navigate to the form you want to use for lead capture. Make sure your form is set up with all the necessary fields to collect lead information. Next, log in to your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new automation. In the Trigger app search bar, type Typeform and select it from the drop-down. Choose New Entry as the trigger event and click Continue. Now, connect your Typeform account with Zapier by clicking the Sign in to Typeform button. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Typeform data. Once connected, select the specific Typeform you want to use for lead capture. Next, click Continue to test your trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent entry from your Typeform to ensure everything is working correctly. Once the test is successful, click Continue to move on. Now, it's time to set up that action step in your Zap. In the Action app search bar, search for the application that will store your leads, such as Google Sheets or a CRM like HubSpot. Select the desired application and choose the appropriate action event, like Create Spreadsheet Row for Google Sheets. Click Continue to connect your chosen app to Zapier. Authorize Zapier in the same way you did with Typeform. Once connected, you'll see a field mapping interface. Map the fields from your Typeform responses to the appropriate columns in your Google Sheets or CRM. After mapping the fields, click Continue. Now, test your action step to ensure that lead data can be captured correctly. Once the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. You have now successfully set up Zapier for automated lead capture from Typeform. Monitor your Zap and ensure data is flowing as expected. Periodically check both Typeform and your storage solution for accuracy and any necessary adjustments. Congratulations! You are now able to capture leads automatically from Typeform using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.